Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will review Cell Phone Cash. The Cell Phone Cash website raises red flags with aggressive sales tactics, vague system details and unrealistic promises of quick money. Additionally, there's no transparency about its ownership or management, raising doubts about its legitimacy. Cell Phone Cash has mixed review, with some claims earnings and other reporting losses or no income. Positive review seems fabricated, as most feedback on Reddit and Quora calls it scam. It operates under ClickBank, using its affiliate marketing to promote product and services. You earn commission by driving traffic and sales through your unique affiliate link. It offers potential earnings through affiliate marketing, but success heavily depends on marketing skills and efforts. Some users report significant income, while others struggle or barely break even. Concerns about scams are common, with reports on unexpected charges, difficulties getting refunds, and lack of returns on investment. The platform's credibility remains questionable. Thank you everyone for watching. Hope you get some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Leave a comment down below. See you in the next one.